Hi, it's Miss Gilbert and it's time for TouchMath. It's time for adding. I'm so excited. Today though, we're going to add double digit numbers carrying a 1. So here's the first problem. Remember, I'd say to read the problem. So if I read this problem, it's 49 plus 32. Again, 49 plus 32. So the first thing I'm going to do is like I always do. I'm going to draw a line down the middle. And I'm going to start on my right side. I'm going to start on the right side. So if you write with right hand, then this is the side you're going to start with. And I have 9 plus 2. So we say, I touch the first number and I say its name. 9. I count forward on the touch points. 9, 10, 11. So I cannot put 11 in there like that. That is not how it works. So I've got to carry a 10. Yes, it is a 10. You are carrying a whole 10. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my whole box up here. I'm going to put my 10 there and my 1 here. Now I'm going to go to the right side and I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Always remember to count the first one. Don't forget that 1 or your problem will not be right. 49 plus 32 equals 81. Let's do another one. I think I might have done that a little bit faster than I wanted to. Let's read this problem. 58 plus 13. 58 plus 13. So we have a double digit number. So what's the first thing I'm going to do? First thing, I'm going to draw a line down the middle of my problem. And I'm going to start on my right side. I'm going to find the largest number, which is 8. I'm going to touch that number, say its name, 8. Count forward on my touch points. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So that means I'm going to put my 10 right there and my 1 there. Now I'm going to go to the left side. I'm not going to forget my 1s. I'm going to count each and every touch point so I don't forget a single one. So I'm going to go ahead and put my touch points on. I want to make sure that I have the touch points on so that I don't forget 1. So we touch and count the touch points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is the last number spoken. The answer is 7. 58 plus 13 is 71. Let's do another one. When you're going to have multiple numbers on one side, go ahead and put your touch points on so that it won't be confusing. So you have 65 plus 35. Read the problem. 65 plus 35. It's double digits. What's the first thing I'm going to do? I'm going to draw a line down the middle of my problem. I'm going to start on my right side. What side? Yes, my right side. I'm going to touch the number, say its name, 5. Count forward on my touch points. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 0, 1, and I'm going to carry that 10 over. Now again, because there's 3 numbers and I want to make sure that I count each and every touch point, I recommend go ahead and put your touch points on every number until you know how to do it without any assistance. It's better to put them on there and not miss the number that way. So I'm going to touch and count the touch points on my number. The answer is the last number spoken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. So I write my 10. So I have 65 plus 35 equals 100. Woohoo! 100. Let's do one more. Let's read the problem. 47 plus 35. Again, it's double digit. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my line down the front. I'm going to go ahead and put my box on the 10 side so that I know I'm going to, if I need to carry a 10, I'll have it ready. I'm going to start on my right side. I'm going to touch the largest number, 7, And then I'm going to count forward on my touch points. And again, I recommend using the touch points until you know how to do this correctly. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So I'm going to write my 1 first on this side. Always go first with your 10. And then the 2 ones over here. Now, on the other side, again, because we have 3 numbers, we're going to go ahead and put our touch points on every number. When you're able to do that, you can take them off. But for right now, let's put them on every number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is the last number spoken. The answer is 8. 47 plus 35 equals 82. Now, when you get this done and you know how you're doing this, then we're going to actually do something called triple digits. This is just to give you an idea of where we're going to end up with this. Now, I'm just going to show you. I'm not really going to teach you this because it's a lot of work. But you'll learn it before you know it. Say I have a problem that is 465 plus 442. That's a big number. So what do? We're going to draw lines in the middle of it like we always do. First, we'll draw a line on that one. 5 plus 5. I touch the first number and I say its name. 5. I'm going to count forward on my touch points. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So what do? I'm going to put my 1 in the box and my 10 over here. See? Now, I have 46 plus 44. So again, I'm going to draw my line there. And I'm going to do the middle one. Now, because it's so many numbers, again, make sure you put all of your touch points on. And I didn't expect to do this one, so my handwriting is awful. Okay, so I'm going to touch and count the touch points on the number. The answer is the last number spoken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I will carry another 10. Actually, it's 100, but now I'll go to the far left one, the hundreds column. And I will do the same thing. I'll touch every touch point on the number till the answer is the last number spoken. So that's very sloppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your answer is 9. So 465 plus 445 is 910. But we are nowhere ready for that. I just wanted to tell you where you ended up. See ya. Bye.